Καλησπέρα παιδιά, τι γίνεται? Εγώ είμαι πολύ καλά. I am very well. Είμαι η Σάρα, I am Σάρα και μαθαίνω ελληνικά κάθε εβδομάδα. Ναι, I am learning Greek every week. Greek week. Κάθε εβδομάδα. And the way I'm doing it is I am sitting down here, I'm recording myself with different objectives every week, and I share it with all of you in my Greek diary, as you can right now watch. So today I'm going to be focused on two verbs, the verb to leave and the verb to arrive, okay? I'm gonna use these two verbs also with hours and also with the parts of the day. So we can start pairing the verbs, all the conjugation, and also more and more vocabulary words. So, πάμε. Εγώ φεύγω από το σπίτι στις 8 το πρωί. Ναι. I leave home at 8 o'clock in the morning. Εσύ, τι ώρα φεύγεις από την δουλειά? What time do you leave work? Τι ώρα φεύγει το τρένο? Yeah. What time does the train leave? Τι ώρα φεύγει το τρένο? Εμείς φεύγουμε από το γραφείο στη 1 το μεσημέρι. Ναι. We leave the office at 1 o'clock in the midday. Το μεσημέρι, midday. Εσείς φεύγετε από την δουλειά στις 5 το απόγευμα. Εσείς φεύγετε από την δουλειά στις 5 το απόγευμα. All of you that do plural leave the work at 5 o'clock in the afternoon. Αυτοί, αυτές, αυτά φεύγουν από το εργοστάσιο στις 9 το βράδυ. Ναι. They leave the factory at 9 o'clock in the evening. We've got, to recap and to conjugate this verb, we've got φεύγω, φεύγεις, φεύγει. Φεύγουμε. Φεύγετε, φεύγουν. This type of verb is the type alpha, the same as δουλεύω, μαθαίνω, διαβάζω, γράφω, all these verbs that we have studied together. Also, we have got here parts of the day. We've got το πρωί, from 6 o'clock in the morning up to 12, το πρωί. Το μεσημέρι, μεσημέρι, from 12 o'clock up to 4 o'clock. Then we've got το απόγευμα. Το απόγευμα from 4 o'clock each up to 9 o'clock, around that more or less. And then we've got from 9 up to the morning, we've got το βράδυ. Το βράδυ, so το πρωί. Το μεσημέρι. Το απόγευμα, το βράδυ. Let's be honest. When it comes to divide the parts of the day, depending on where you are from, you are gonna call it differently. So that's why it's important to put the hours that in this case Greek people will consider as το πρωί, το μεσημέρι, το απόγευμα, το βράδυ. Okay? If you are from another country, you might see this differently. But it's important to have this understanding, to generic, and to be open to these differences. Okay? So, now, let's carry on with another verb, which is the verb to arrive. Okay? Πάμε. Εγώ φτάνω στην δουλειά στις 10 το πρωί. I arrive at work at 10 o'clock in the morning. Εσύ, τι ώρα φτάνεις στο εστιατόριο? What time do you arrive at the restaurant? Τι ώρα φτάνει το τρένο? what time does the train arrive?
Εμείς φτάνουμε
Στον φούρνο στις 2 το μεσημέρι. We arrive at the bakery at 2 o'clock in the midday. In English would be in the afternoon, okay?
Εσείς φτάνετε
Στο κατάστημα στις 6 το απόγευμα. You, all of you, arrive at the shop at 6 o'clock in the afternoon. Yeah, maybe in English you would say in the evening, I'm not sure. But το απόγευμα in Greek would be in the afternoon, okay? Αυτοί, αυτές, αυτά
φτάνουν
στον κινηματογράφο στις 10 το βράδυ. They arrive at the cinema at 10 o'clock at night. With the verb to arrive, we've got
φτάνω, φτάνεις, φτάνει, φτάνουμε, φτάνετε, φτάνουν.
this verb, again, is exactly the same as φεύγω. The exactly same type alpha, okay? So it has the same endings and we keep the same stem, all right? Guys, also here is where we really need to pay attention, you and me as well, okay? Especially me, because with the verb to arrive, okay, φτάνω, we use
Φτάνω στο σπίτι.
I arrive at home. That literally is
Φτάνω
σε το σπίτι, στο. We keep it together, okay? Στο σπίτι. That το is neutral, because σπίτι is neutral. Φτάνω στο σπίτι. But if I want to say στην δουλειά, I need to say στην δουλειά, because δουλειά is feminine.
φτάνω
Στην δουλειά, I arrive at work. That's with the verb to arrive. But be careful, because with the verb to leave, φεύγω, I use another different preposition. I use φεύγω από το σπίτι. I leave from home. Φεύγω από το σπίτι. Φεύγω από την δουλειά. I leave from work. So I need από with the verb φεύγω. Okay? So we need to pair these verbs also with these prepositions because it's going to be very helpful. My purpose for the next 2 days, and I hope for you as well, is to smash these 2 verbs, to keep them in here, and also to be aware of this από το σπίτι, στο σπίτι, and so on, along with the parts of the day, το απόγευμα, το βράδυ, and so on. I hope, guys, that you are gonna keep revising, and please don't forget to subscribe to my Greek diary and to keep working together. Φιλάκια πολλά, τα λέμε μετά. Αντίο. This is so frustrating, honestly.